Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And well, look at this location. It is absolutely incredible. We are on an adventure right now, and we are in the Outer Hebrides, and currently almost at the very top of North Uist, and it's absolutely stunning. It's been amazing. I'll put some links and things of all the different places we've been in the video, but what I wanted to show you was the Primus Ulti Stove, because this is a really incredible stove. If you are going on a big adventure, an expedition, you're going somewhere extreme, then this is going to be probably the stove you want to have in your backpack. So this is the 1 litre, comes in a 1.7 litre as well, but if you have the burner, you can always buy the larger pot and it will still fit on the burner as well. So if we just take a look at it, it's got a heat exchanger in the bottom, and you just open up the handle. As you know, with all Primus handles, slide that in and that makes it then nice and rigid when you're holding it. Sit down, darling. Sit down. Nice and rigid when you're holding it. You've got a silicone handle on the top, and you have a strainer in the lid. So, heat exchanger. This fits onto the burner. There's your handle, silicone, and silicone on the lid as well. And as you can see, it's got a strainer built into it, or a pourer on the other side. Sorry, so one side you can literally just pour, and then the other side you can use it as a strainer. And just here, you've got a lip, so when you're using it as a pourer, you have it in this position here, and you would just pour, obviously. So, inside, small net basket, pouch, bag, and then this is where we've actually got the burner itself. Now this is a special burner that cannot blow out. She's off again. Okay, so if we take a look at the burner, it's like a mesh, and then feet on the bottom, and then you've got your hose, and you've got your connector here, and your handle which controls turning on and off the gas, but we won't need to do that because it's not that cold here. Okay, so when we connect it to the gas, currently Beryl is eating all the bunny poo. Beryl, come back. Sit here. Come here. Beryl, sit, good girl. Okay, so you've got your 3 feet, and this keeps it really low to the ground, so really keeps the centre of gravity right down on the ground. So if you are in those conditions, maybe you're up in the mountains, this is going to keep it nice and stable on the ground. With the canister, this can orientate upside down as well. So if you are in cold conditions, and all the instructions are on the website, then you will actually put your gas upside down. Okay, but you can read all about that in the instructions. Honestly, this place is absolutely incredible. So let's fire this up, and then let's do what you guys always know that I like to do, and let's do a speed test, and let's find out how fast it will boil water. Okay, so let's light it. Okay, so that's lit, and you can see that getting really hot now. But there's no flame, so we're here, and that cannot get blown out. That's hot. Right, so inside you've got measures, so you can see how much water you're going to be boiling. So if you're using Expedition Foods and you want to know exactly how much water you are going to boil, okay. Can you see how hot that is now? Okay, so stopwatch, ready? And we're going to pop this on and we'll see how fast this boils. So I don't know if anybody's ever been to the Outer Hebrides, but honestly, it is absolutely stunning. There's just miles and miles of coastline, which is just completely unspoilt. Golden sand beaches, and I don't know if you can see out here, I mean, the water is turquoise, and once you get that sun on the water, honestly, it is just unbelievable. It's amazing. And hopefully I'll just try and show you a little bit of footage of it as well, just whilst we're waiting for this to boil. But maybe, you know, if you're thinking about this stove for an expedition, and maybe you're going to mountainous regions, winter time, or just conditions where you know it's going to be really difficult to get your stove to light, you don't want it blowing out, this is a really good option. Like I say, there is a bigger one, so you can use this to boil water. You can cook inside it. Anything that you can cook inside the pot, you can use this for. So we're currently at 1 minute 37 or 1 minute 40, and I can already hear it starting to get close to boiling. So we're 1 minute 49. So you think, if you are in that sort of environment where, you know, you're freezing cold and you just want to eat and you don't want to faff around with something that's not going to work, this really has to be a good go-to stove for those conditions. You know, it's not windy here, so we're 2.5 minutes. You can see steam coming out of the top. We're not far off. Three minutes. And it's boiling. So 3 minutes 5 seconds, and you can be having boiling hot water. So whether, like I say, whether it's an expedition meal, whether it's cooking something else, whether it's just a hot drink, within 3.5 minutes you're there. You know, if you boil less water than that, you're going to be even quicker. But I honestly, I really think that this is a really, really good option, and I definitely would say, if you're looking for something, really check this out and see what you think. Anyway, look, thanks as always for joining me. I really hope that that's helpful to somebody. Like I say, Primus equipment is really good and it's built to last. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a like and maybe think about subscribing. And if you're thinking about going to the Hebrides, there'll be a whole load of videos on that as well. So for me, from Beryl here, thanks guys, and see you down the trail.